Welcome to Analytics with Nags. In this video, we are going to see about a new DAX function, lookup value. And if you are from Excel background, you may be familiar with the VLOOKUP in Excel. And the lookup value function in DAX does the same functionality as the VLOOKUP, but it is slightly different from VLOOKUP in certain behavior. Let us explore that what is the difference between VLOOKUP and lookup value later. Let us jump into the real scenario where you will use lookup value function in DAX. We have a Naga garments, and for him, he is getting the competitor price in a new table for each product. He has some model with the sales fact table surrounded by date, product, and customer as a star schema, and he is getting a new information for each product what his competitor is selling, and he wants to bring it into his product table, that competitor price, and he wants to compare it. That is in scenario where we can use a lookup value function to bring the value from one table to another table. That is the main objective of this video. Let us explore that lookup value function using a Power BI. If you are new to this channel, hit the subscribe button right now to learn the concepts or DAX functions in Power BI. We are in Power BI now. You can see the model here like fact, sales, date, product master, and customer. Let me show the product master table data as well. So this is my product master, jeans, levis. These are the products this Naga Garments is selling. And he is getting a new data, that is competitor product like jeans, levis, all other items in a new table. There can be many related information as well. So why we need to use lookup instead of using a joins? It's like you need only this price information, only single column you need from this table. For that, no need to do the joins. If you do the joins, it will become costly, like the tables will get expanded. So that is why you need to avoid sometimes, instead of joining these two tables, you want only one column from this table. In that case, just use the lookup value to bring that column in this table. That is where you go for lookup value function. Let us create a lookup value function. So basically we are going to bring this price column into this product master, and this is basically a new column. Okay, so new column, I will say, very good, that's okay. New column, product, sorry, that is competitor price. Okay, and I have a formula already, forget about it. Let us start writing it. Okay, let me zoom in a little bit. Lookup value, and what value you need to get, that is the result column. I want a competitor table price. Okay, then your lookup table should be a competitor table. See, when you use that competitor table price, automatically it gives me this particular table name. Okay, only these two columns you can able to use. So I want a search column. Okay, based on the lookup key. Okay, based on the product name only I need to look up in this table. So I need to put product name there, and from which table I want, from product master name is the for each product master name I want to look up in this product competitor product name, get this price. That is what this lookup value is saying about. Let us close this one, then hit enter. Now you have seen like product master table doesn't had a cost price, I mean competitor price. Now we get the competitor price like a chart. As I said before, I told like there are key difference between lookup value function in DAX and VLOOKUP. What are those? See, now you can see first thing is like if you have a multiple matches in your lookup table, that is competitor table. Say for example, jeans, levis, you have only one entry in your competitor table. You see here jeans Levi's, jeans denim, jeans Zara, Lego, shirt, arrow. So in product master you have one entries, but what happens in your competitor table, you have multiple entries. At that time it will throw error. Okay, this is lookup value function. And in VLOOKUP, if you have a multiple entries, it will get the first match and give you the results. Let us try to demonstrate it. Okay, and I will try to insert a new value, I mean duplicate value in the competitor table. Like jeans Levi's, I will repeat it to 600 something. Let me go to transform date. Since I have entered it manually over here, what I will do, I'll do jeans Levi's 600. Okay, now you have duplicate entries. Let us try to run this one. I mean how the new column is behaving. Competitor table, the product master table. You see there is an error. What this error says, a table of multiple values was specified where a single value was expected. Because this is the key factor or difference between your VLOOKUP in Excel than the lookup value function. If you have a multiple entries in your lookup table, it will throw error. So ensure that you have only single entries in your lookup table. That is point number one. So what we need to do, let me go and edit it. If it is not the case, I mean, you can do unique values in this and give maximum or create a new table based on that. Now you can go and see the product master table. You get the results. And you have like you have do not have matched entries in your unbranded the t-shirts over here in your competitor table. There is no entry for t-shirts, so that is why you are getting blank. Okay, so this is fine. Now what he can do, so based on this he wants to analyze the uh, current price, I mean his price with the competitor price. So let us try to analyze by category name. I hope you have here. Let me remove all the measures. Competitor price. Okay, now let me increase the size a little bit. So based on this, now he can see like his competitor is selling this particular product for 700 rupees, and whereas he is selling for 650. Whether to increase this price or decrease this, and he can able to decide on. Now in this case, his competitor is selling more 850, but he is selling 8750. So based on this, he wants to meet up. Certain goals or to play a very good role in this area for sales to compete with the competitors. Okay, so he has to reduce or decrease the prices. He can use such a comparison here once you look up and get the values. That is a basic, I mean that is lookup value is not meant for this, but I'm saying for this scenario he is trying to analyze uh, the data based on this. I hope you guys like this video. You understand the concept of lookup value function as well, and the difference between lookup value and VLOOKUP in Excel. If you like this video, share and subscribe to the channel, and do remember that data is your asset.